Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Nur Fidos Azimi Beroslan and today we are going to have a lab test session according to Hvac. So today's car is proton wajah. For the first question for the lab test, to identify the low pressure hose and high pressure hose. First of all, to identify the high pressure hose, we can see their null port diameter within these two hoses. The hot null port has a bigger diameter than a low pressure hose port. Second, we need to understand the system of Hvac icon in a certain car. Generally, hot pressure hose will come from compressor into the condenser. That's the hot pressure port. And the low pressure port will come after the blower into the compressor. For the second question is how to detect leakage in a system. First, we have by using soap. So the normal leakage area is between the conjunction, which is in this area, and the other one is within the compressor. There's a O-ring that usually have a break. There's many ways to detect the leakage. Okay, to detect the leakage at certain area, we need a bubble to put at the certain area. For example, we put the bubble at the null port and we run the system. If the bubble getting bigger, so that means the area got a leakage. So that's all from me on how to detect leakage in aircon system and how to identify the high pressure hose and low pressure hose. Thank you very much and have a good day.